Did you know a construction worker risked everything to save lives he'd never meet? Mike Torres had worked construction for 15 years when he noticed his foreman skipping safety inspections. Deadlines were tight and corners were being cut on a 20-story building project. Mike knew speaking up meant losing his job and getting blacklisted from the industry. He had 3 kids and a mortgage to pay. For weeks, he couldn't sleep, watching dangerous shortcuts pile up. Finally, he called OSHA and reported the violations. He was fired the next day. 2 months later, investigators discovered structural flaws that would have caused a collapse. 40 workers would have died. The company faced prosecution, and Mike was hired by their competitor. Today, he's a safety supervisor, knowing his courage saved dozens of lives.